Yes. One of the things that I noticed, Shem, is that the love, the pouring of the love over there of the people, of the murids, whether it's those guests who come outside and meet you and take pictures with you, but especially of the murids, you know, the love I saw over there, the ones from Germany, Belgium, and all the locals. It was just it was a privilege just to be watching the love for you, Shem. And my question is, what's the lesson for us in that pouring of love for you?
I don't know. What would I say? If I travel with Shaykh Efendi and I see so many people that he has seen maybe one time, or they've never seen him before, and they have so much love for him, what is the lesson for me? I take it to myself to say to myself, you look, shame you are. How much shame you are. These ones, they love your Shaykh so much, and you don't love your Shaykh. That is what I would take the lesson to be. I would take lesson from it. I said, that means that I have to try harder. That means I have to be more sincere. That means I must run more, and I must feel more. They feel. What happened to us that we don't feel after a while? It happens. So, that love that they're showing, it is for our Shaykh. It is for the Holy Prophet ﷺ. It's for our grand Shaykh. It is not for us. We're only showing the direction. You understand? Then, that time it doesn't matter. Otherwise, with that kind of focus, it's very easy to. Man doesn't understand himself. So, the way I see it, we are collecting people for our Shaykh, for the sake of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. So it's an emanat, it is a trust. Everyone is a trust. Not like some murids, you treat each other like how you say? Like what? Like crap, okay? You don't see as each other as trust that Allah has invited them to be here. The Holy Prophet ﷺ, our Shaykh has invited, so you must try to do something. Maybe the Shaykh is going to be very strict, very rough sometimes with this one or that one. But behind that, there is always that love, so you must show them that too. It's not for you to show them the roughness. You must try to find 1,000,000 ways to reach out to them. And the roughness of the Shaykh that I've seen our Shaykh doing, he doesn't show that roughness, that knocking wall to wall, if he didn't pat them 100 times before. Explaining, saying, being patient over and over again. And we see his patience now. So, it is the light of our Shaykh that they are attracted to. It's not your light or my light. So like that, it'll be easy. Because the more you are reflecting, then it's taken from there. You're not yourself. The power is not coming from you. Who are we? So, step by step, that is not just given to, let's say, me. It's given to everyone. You just have to take it a little bit more seriously, that's all. It's for everyone. Every one of us is a light coming from the Holy Prophet ﷺ, representing him. It depends on how serious you want to make it, or how not serious you want to make it. You want to put that aside and be busy with our own day-to-day existence, small existence, this dunya existence that doesn't have value as much as one mosquito wing. That's a time that we are not going to be what they had promised us to be. They have put us to be Hazrati Insan. They have made us, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, and we have honored the children of Adam. So we must try to run to be that. Tariqat is to train us to be that. I'm seeing, especially in a country where your needs are met. So you don't become a person who needs Allah and His Prophet ﷺ. And there's no reminder of Allah and His Prophet everywhere. There's a reminder that kufr exists, it's flourishing, it's surviving, they're getting away with it. So what's the difference? Do you understand? But then if you live in a situation where there's reminders everywhere, it's reminders that you want to run away, you cannot run away so much. It'll seem very fake. Over here, not running away, you just take one step left and bloop, you'll disappear into this world. Yes? Over there, you cannot. Which means that it's quicker for you to come back to the right way. Over here, it's difficult. You disappear. The arrogance that sets in. What is the lover that doesn't need the one that he loves? What is it? It's not a lover. You say you need. Then ask ourselves how much we need our Shaykh. How much we need the Prophet. So many Muslims think that they're Muslims and they're doing a favor to the Prophet by doing the sunnah, that's like doing a favor. No. How much of it is your need? How much do we need Allah? Oh, can we say? But are we behaving like we need Allah? Are we behaving like we need the Prophet ﷺ or his inheritors? No. We're quick to declare our own separation, our own, let's say, power and authority. It's dangerous, this poison, because in wearing turban, in making zikr, in listening to sohbat, that arrogance is there. Easily you can make a decision to say, you know what, I quit. You know what, I don't need this. Because there is no tie there. There is no need. We see it happen. So many people left. It's good. You don't fit, you leave. So many people. All this. It's okay. I like it. If we get smaller and smaller too, then we can concentrate on things. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.